and then he sounds a little bit like Louis Armstrong. He gets that gravel on his voice.
You talking about Phoebe or Eric?
Sounds, I don't know.
One of them.
Oh, there's that ramp you were talking about yesterday.
Yeah.
Well, it's lighter out now. I can really get the... Jeez, Marie, look at that thing. Holy shit.
Goes on and on.
Yeah.
And then it goes all the way up there too then, right?
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Look, Kris, all the way up.
Yeah, but look up there, then all the way up there, Sue.
Oh my God.
Mosquito inside here that followed me into the car, and it was in my ear. And I finally got it out, and it's rolling around up here right now.
Then I had one on my chest, and I said, you didn't want to kill it? No.
Oh God. Slap my chest.
Slap that chest. Why are you slapping? Oh, there was a mosquito there. Oh yeah, sure.
Okay, we didn't go down here yesterday.
Oh, this is cool. And I love how certain areas they just have like these benches.
Oh, and they have the picnic
All
tables
over,
over
yeah.
there. I could come here and just have
sit.
lunch.
Yeah.
You know, bring a picnic basket.
Right, picnic. Oh, absolutely.
Oh, a bunch of people are inside there. Have a little party. Hi, geese.
And they got a fire pit. They've got grills that you can...
I think there's some actual campsites here too, looks like.
Oh yeah, this one up here looks like you could park with a little circular drive.
Yeah, the water's pretty rough.
It's getting rough. It wasn't that bad. Actually, just a little bit it got rough.
I'd see getting up here in the winter.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, no.
I wouldn't even have tried it.
Now, when do you have the timeshare again? When's your next? Because this is the floater one, right?
Yeah, and I put in the last 2 times it happened.
I think you got it.
So it's been like 4 years. One time I filled it out and I meant to send it in, then I forgot and it sat in a pile. Well, then I wound up getting January. I didn't want to go in. I didn't want to go in the winter. So this time I got it. I filled out right away, sent it in right away. I got my main week, which was the last weekend in May, which happens to be your birthday.
Oh, that's right. You were saying, yeah. You'll come. My birthday's on Friday, and he's coming up on Thursday.
Oh, nice.
You know what day your birthday is next year?
Because you said that to me, so I looked.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Otherwise I wouldn't have looked. Because you said I'm going up there on your birthday, and I'm like,
okay.
Yeah, I was pretty impressed. I'm going, how does she know that?
I don't look at my birthdays much anymore. They turn out to be pretty much the same old day.
Yeah, just more cloud, no islands or anything.
No.
Not even a sliver of light coming through.
So do you think you're going to drive all the way up here from Florida? If you're in Florida, you're going to be in Florida by then.
Well, it's a